Hey everyone, today I am here with a new recipe that everyone would love, especially kids. That is cheesy egg balls. Come, let's cook together. First, in a bowl, add 1 boiled grated potato. Potato is optional. 2 boiled grated egg. If you are not using potato, you can increase the quantity of egg. 1 finely chopped onion. 1 chopped chilli, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now we are going to add the masalas. 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of garam masala. Now add 2 teaspoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. If you don't have corn flour, just increase the quantity of all-purpose flour. And if you don't have both of them, you can use rice flour instead of corn flour and all-purpose flour. Mix it well and make a nice dough of it. Now take a small portion from the dough. We are going to make a small balls filled with cheese from it. So keep a small cheese ball into it and cover it well and make a nice ball. Make sure that there should be no crack on the ball because we are going to deep fry it. Now all the balls are ready to dip into the mixture of corn flour, that is 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. We are going to make a thick paste of it. Now add some water and make a thick paste. It should not be too watery. If you don't have corn flour, you can use, instead of corn flour, you can use 1 egg. When you are using egg, there is no need to add water. Now dip one by one each balls into this mixture and next cover it with the breadcrumbs. Make sure that the ball should be well covered with the breadcrumbs. Now all the balls are ready to get fried. Fry it both the sides. Make sure to fry it on the high or medium flame. We are doing deep fry. When the color changes, it's ready. It should look like a golden color. That is crispier outside and very soft inside. Here the tasty cheesy balls are ready.